In the context of Article 3.4 of the EU AI Act, a user refers to a person or entity that utilizes an AI system under their authority, excluding personal or non-professional purposes. For instance, a customer service agent using a chatbot to assist customers, or a police officer employing a FACI, all recognition system to identify suspects are considered users. Furthermore, any organization or individual using an AI system for purposes other than personal or non-professional activities falls under this definition. For example, a company that automates its customer service or analyzes its data using an AI system would be classified as a user. Similarly, a government agency that employs an AI system to detect fraud or manage public services would also fall into this category. Additionally, a research institution using an AI system for scientific experiments or developing new technologies is considered a user. However, individuals engaging in hobbies and using AI systems for recreational or skill enhancement purposes would not be classified as users. For instance, a hobbyist creating art or music for fun, or learning new skills with the help of an AI system would not fall within the scope of a user. Likewise, consumers using AI systems for gaming or entertainment services are not considered users. In the context of Article 3.4 of the EU AI Act, in summary, a user, as defined by Article 3.4 of the EU AI Act, is an individual or entity that utilizes an AI system under their authority for any purpose other than personal or non-professional activities